3, here is the science video for our science lesson on Tuesday, and we will be doing a little investigation on our plants. So plant 1, we are going to observe over the next week without it having any water. Plant 2 is going to be placed into a dark cupboard, and plant 3 will be placed in a really cold place such as a fridge, and we need to see if these plants will still grow. Okay, so you've got 3 questions to think about to go on your prediction sheet. So you've got what happens if a plant has no water. So if you're going to choose plant 1, that will be your question. If you're going to choose plant 2, your question will be, can a plant grow in the dark? And if you're going to choose plant 3, your question will be, if a plant has no heat, will it still grow? Okay, and you're going to write this on your prediction sheet. So what do you want to find out? Choose your question. So for example, I'm going to choose plant 1. So my question is going to be, what happens if a plant has no water? Okay, so what happens if a plant has no water? Okay, so there's my question for my investigation, and then you've got a prediction. So what do you think is going to happen to your plant? So if you choose plant 1, you need to write what you think is going to happen. So you could say, I think plant 1 will grow a couple more centimetres, or I don't think plant 1 will grow without water. Then the method is what we are going to do. So plant 1, we are going to place, so I am going to place my plant near the window without giving it any water. And then you need to say how often we're going to observe it. So another video will be uploaded every couple of days, observing the plants to see if they've grown or not. So then I'm going to put, I am going to observe the plant every couple of days. Okay, so there's your question, write your prediction, and then here's the method what we're going to do. If you choose plant 2, you will just say, I'm going to place my plant into a dark cupboard, or plant 3, I'm going to place my plant in the fridge. Okay, and then you've got your recording sheet. So this is where we are going to measure the plant. So plant 1 at the moment stands at 4 centimetres. So in here, height of plant at the start of investigation, if you're doing plant 1, you will write 4 centimetres. Okay. Plant 2 at the moment is 5 centimetres. So again, in that height of plant at the start of investigation, you would write 5 centimetres. And then plant 3 is 7 centimetres. So again, you would write that in here, okay? And then each day we observe the plant. So in the next couple of days, we'll write the date and then what we see is happening. So again, another video will be uploaded to YouTube, okay? Then at the end of the investigation, which will be our next science lesson, you fill in these 2 boxes here, okay? If you have any questions at all, please just message on Dojo and we will try and get back to you. Hope you all have a lovely day.